Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Red color. The heart is red in color. Such a pretty heart. Yellow color. The triangle is yellow in color. A triangle has 3 sides. Orange color. The square is orange in color. The square has 4 equal sides. Look around you and see what all things are in a shape of a square. Blue color. The circle is blue in color. Circle has no sides. Sun is a circle, moon is a circle, and your face is also a circle. Pink color. The star is pink in color. The star shines bright in the sky. Such a pretty pink color. And green color. The hexagon is green in color. The hexagon has 6 sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, red color. Triangle, yellow color. Square, orange color. Circle, blue color. Star, pink color. And hexagon, green color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.